Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to solve the prime number problem using stream. So let's start. First I would create a function static boolean to return is prime or not. I would pass the number, then I just call from the main is prime, let's say 15, and from this function I would return the boolean value. So I'd first take the help of IntStream, then call the range. Within the range, I would say starting value is 2, and then number by 2. Then I would call the anyMatch, pass the predicate, have to pass the boolean logic. So I'd say take the indexes, divide, basically divisible by that number or not. We have to check that. So that's it.
Now I will add a not over here and then I will save it and run. See, it's a prime? No, it's a prime, no, not a prime number. So it's printing false. Now let's check with 17. 17 is a prime number. It's printed true.
So 17 is not divisible by any number except 1 and itself 17. So that's all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.